Hey guys, we got the CG figured out on here, and we're gonna get this thing in the air.
How much would those cost?
The plane is 200, the radio's 200.
Okay, so you waste about like 5?
Yeah.
Where'd it go? It's up here. Oh, you can see it. Is that gas?
Electric.
That's nice. I really thought that, isn't that like made like a foam?
Yeah.
I never thought that the foam would really fly like that.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah, man, this thing, amazing flyer, 0 throttle. A lot of rudder. Zero throttle. V-tail is a beast. We will have to land it. The wind stopped. I think we'll bring this in for a landing now, man. We'll bring it in. Here we go, 0 throttle. Oh, this is gonna be a long cruise, man. Let's bring it in now. Zero throttle. Very good glide ratio on this thing, man. Coming in. There we go. Man, it glides forever. Amazing flight. We'll have to set the timer on this thing on the throttle for about 2.5 minutes. We did a lot of gliding, and surprisingly, I mean, I know it's a glider, but a lot of times, well, not a lot, from my experience with the high-speed gliders, the glide ratio usually isn't that good as your standard glider, but this one glides pretty well, even with these straight wings on here, man. It glides super good. So go ahead and power this thing off. Did have to add a little weight in there to get the CG, but I think we're gonna get the Phoenix S out next to compare the two back to back. I mean, obviously this one's a lot faster,